In this tutorial, we'll walk through how to set up a limited access user profile in Trackem. In a previous video, we covered the basic setup for an unlimited access account. If you haven't watched that video yet, click the card on screen now to learn how to create a user and complete the basic account setup. Once you've entered your user's information, click the Access Rights tab. Here, you'll find all of the features and permissions available within Trackem. For this tutorial, we'll select Custom Access. We'll cover access presets in a separate video, where you'll learn how to quickly assign permissions for different user roles, including employees, supervisors, and managers. Let's start with the Modules tab. This is where most of the customization takes place. Here you'll see all of the tabs that can appear on your user's homepage, including Maps, Reports, Fleet Management, Driver Management, Dashboard, Cameras, Fuel, Notifications, Route Planning, Messaging, and Settings. Under the Map section, you'll find several options. Online allows the user to see which devices are currently online. And Route History gives access to historical route information for any vehicles they have permission to view. Next is the Reports section. Here you can choose which reports your user can access. Trackem offers a wide variety of reports that provide detailed information about your vehicles, drivers, and assets. The Fleet Management section controls access to features such as service reminders, documents and licenses, vehicle inspections, repair costs, fleet efficiency, and inspection plans. Driver Management provides access to drive-related information, including driving behavior, drivers, work times, event maps, driver documents, and driver groups. The Dashboard section allows users to create their own custom dashboard, giving them quick access to the information most important to them. If your company uses dash cameras, the Cameras section provides access to camera-related features such as live view, camera events, and memory card recordings. The Fuel section allows users to view and manage fuel-related information, including fuel charts, fuel receipts, fuel summaries, and fuel refills. The Notifications section allows users to create, edit, and manage notifications. Route Planning gives users access to create and optimize routes for vehicles and drivers. The Messaging section allows users to send messages to other users and drivers directly within the Trackem platform. The Settings section provides access to configuration options such as vehicle groups, geofences, geofence groups, route groups, notification settings, scheduled reports, and workplaces. Now let's move on to the remaining access tabs. In the Vehicles tab, you can grant access to specific vehicles, vehicle groups, or predefined workplaces containing selected vehicles. Drivers. The Drivers tab works similarly. Here you can grant access to individual drivers, driver groups, or workplaces. In the Geofences tab, you can provide access to all geofences, specific geofence groups, or individual geofences. The Cameras tab allows you to choose which cameras your user can access. In the Fuel Receipts tab, you can define permissions related to fuel receipt management, including managing receipts, editing mandatory fields, and modifying fuel subtypes. The Permissions tab contains additional system-wide permissions. These include the ability to create and edit geofences and geofence groups, create tracking links, issue reefer commands, configure SMS notifications, create private vehicle groups, change vehicle license numbers, download video events, and display driver phone numbers in mobile notifications. Some permissions may only be available when the user has access to all vehicles. Finally, we have the Access Restrictions tab. Here you can allow access to the Manager mobile app and, if required, restrict login access to specific IP addresses. Once you've finished configuring the user's access rights, click Save in the bottom right corner. Your new limited access user account is now ready to use.